good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, broadcasting you live on YouTube and other two streaming platforms. This is Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way the three pillars. There are more pillars in the advanced course, everybody. But the three pillars of the Forex Course 101, which is the analyst part, pillar number 1 is the market, pillar number 2 is the strategy, and pillar number 3 is the trader. You can follow us on TradingView YouTube, everybody, youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX. And never forget, you are going to graduate from this course. It's going to take approximately 1 year, if not more. When? Number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading, something like this. Okay, you don't need to use the same tools, same indicators, you can have your own. Just an example, you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose, right? Strategy is producing winners, strategy is producing losers. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction, long or short for the day and long or short for the week. If there are no currency pairs that you want to check, everybody, type in the chat AUD CAD right now. Should you be looking to go long, buy, or should you be looking to go short, sell? Hello Allah, how are you? Or if you have any other currency pairs that you want to check, everybody. Okay, today what we're going to do, Forex Course 101, Forex Trading Week Part 2 or Day 2. Okay, we're going to analyze together the charts. Okay, so today we are going to tell you, I am going to tell you what you should do in the sense of your understanding. So you can check upon you and see, okay, I am learning, or I have learned the skill, or maybe I need to re-watch some lessons. Hello Julius, thank you for the payment. Everybody, we're going to talk at the end of the lesson more about this one. Okay, on Friday we're going to have the big meeting. I'm going to explain more about how much money you can make as a trader. Okay, Friday. So if you have any questions about any currency pairs, okay, you might be in a trade that is going against you and you don't understand why. You might have a loser that you might not understand why. Type in the chat, everybody. Otherwise, today we're going to analyze AUD CAD, so you can see and check upon yourself on what should you have understand so far. Okay, what is the purpose of the Forex Trading Week? We are trying to implement what we have learned. Hello Nancy, how are you? We are going to implement what we have learned so far, and it was crowns, right? So with this Forex Trading Week, we are ending the basic module, the beginner module, and the intermediate module, everybody. Okay, so Forex Trading Week Day 2, you should implement, you should know how to determine and define and interpret multiple time frames, Fibonacci's if you want, crowns if you want, and news trading if you want. Make sense, everybody? Okay, so first comes, first is served. Type in the chat if you want to check a particular currency pairs. If not, we are going to go with AUD CAD. And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. And these streams are not trading or investment advice, especially when we talk about the Forex Trading Week. Always remember, if your way is not working, why don't you try mine? Okay? And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact. So Skype contact, everybody. Okay? We are going to have the meeting on Skype, education, FX passion. Connect on Skype, 3 p.m. GMT on Friday. Okay, we are going to talk about the Advanced Institutional Trader Program. That being said, let's go. I'm going to wait for you. First comes first is served. So far, right? So far, AUD cat, this is the chart, everybody. The daily chart is the intermediate chart compared to the monthly, weekly, and the 2 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Okay? So, should you be... Remember, we have 2 questions to ask, alright? Every day, okay? So, what is the trade for the day? Okay, and depending on the strategy, of course, and what is the trade for the week? Okay, everybody, this should be your thought process. You are looking, let's make a poll, everybody. Hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Dancy. You are looking at AUD CAD daily chart. Type in the chat, what is the trade for the day? Meaning long or short, buy or sell. And what is the trade for the week? Long or short on AUD CAD for the week. Depending on the strategy, okay? What is the trade for the day? Okay, meaning should I buy or should I sell for the day? Okay, better like this, huh? What is the trade for the day? Should I buy or should I sell for the day? AUD CAD daily chart. Okay, depending on the strategy, what is the trade for the week? So, what is the trade for the week? Okay, what is the trade for the week? Should I sell or should I buy? Should I buy for the week? Okay. Julius, Euro GBP, Dancy, for the day long, for the week short. It would be easy, huh, Dancy, if you just, just buy for the day. Well, I won't be so sure. Anyways, everybody, Julius is asking clone chart. Julius is asking for Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP daily chart. Everybody, what do you think? Let's address Euro GBP first. Julius was first. Everybody, what do you think? Euro GBP daily chart. What should you do for the day, everybody? And what should you do for the week on Euro GBP? Hedge fund trader Julius, what is your opinion? What is your vision? Are you in a trade maybe? Or are you trying to enter the market? Are you trying to buy the market? Are you trying to sell the market on the Euro GBP? Julius and everybody else, for what matters, what is your vision on Euro GBP, everybody? What is the trade for the day? Should you be buying Euro GBP or should you be selling Euro GBP for the day? And what about the week? Should you sell for the week Euro GBP or should you buy for the week Euro GBP? Okay, and one more time, Julius, congratulations for taking action. Okay, attitude, everybody, it's one of the indicators, So, Dancy is saying, in the meantime, everybody, Dancy is saying, trying to sell. Very good. In the meantime, everybody, AUD CAD daily chart, Dancy is saying, for the day long, right? Now, Dancy and everybody else, who is stronger, the Fibonacci or the short-term trend? AUD CAD question, who is stronger, the Fibonacci or the short-term trend. This is the daily chart. Tomorrow and tonight something is going to happen, or the market is going to go up, or the market is going to go down. Make sense? Then says Fibonacci stronger, okay? Yesterday I told you the formula of success. 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade from your head, trade from what you see. Copyright FXFreedom 2022. Fibonacci stronger, okay? So this is the skill, everybody, that you should have acquired. Probabilistic thinking. You are in an environment, everybody, you are in a business that works based on probability. So probabilistic thinking, right? Probabilistic thinking. So to go short, it doesn't matter what time frame. To go short, you have your reasons to go short, right? And you have your reasons to go long. Everybody, if you can acquire this mindset, the way of doing things, I promise you your trading is going to improve. So probabilistic thinking, okay? We're talking about the day. So talking about the short-term trend and the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is to go short, right? So we have one reason to go short for the day. Next question, Dancy and everybody else. Are you in an extension or are you in a retracement? Talking about the Fibonacci. You are looking at the Fibonacci ABC. Okay, is the Fibonacci in a retracement or is the Fibonacci in an extension? And then, Julius, don't worry, we are going to talk about Euro GBP, alright? We have enough time. And anybody else online, is the Fibonacci in a retracement or is the Fibonacci in an extension? In a retracement, very good. After the retracement, what must come? After the retracement, what must come? And remember, everybody, you can go long and you can go short. The secret to money is for you to understand probabilities. Does this make sense to you? The secret to money, if you want to make money in the Forex market, you must understand probabilities. You can go long, you can go short. Someone is going to win, someone is going to lose. So the extension must come, right? Okay, so this is about the Fibonacci. Fibonacci, edit label, retracement, okay? Extension must come, agreed? Okay. Oh boss, but you said for the day. Yes sir, give me a second. Okay, now Dance and everybody else, talking about the short-term trend, which is green line. Talking about the short-term trend, green line, is the short-term trend in an extension or it's the short-term trend in a retracement? Julius, Fibonacci extension, yes sir. Talking about, so we are looking now at another indicator, another tool. It's the short-term trend. Boss, market's making higher highs, higher lows. Yes sir. In this regard, the market's making higher highs, higher lows. Is the short-term trend in an extension or in a retracement? Hedge fund trader Julius says extension. Dancy, what about you? Ala, participate. this mindset, this way of how you think, you are going to apply on all currency pairs, all time frames. It's an extension, right? After the extension, what must come? So long, right? Here we have a reason to go long. Long is the, so ABC, this is the C. We have the short-term trend, it's in an extension. Short-term trend, STT, short-term trend, extension. After the extension, what must come? Retracement, retracement must come. Boss, but you said for the day. Yes, sir. But if you have a Fibonacci, everybody, that is in a retracement and the extension must come, and you have in an extension on the short-term trend and the retracement must come, is this changing your visual on the probabilities? Is this changing the visual on the probabilities? What is going to happen maybe today? Yes, we are going to go on the lower time frame. Just give me a second. Dancy, do we agree that a retracement must come? Everybody, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Don't trade from your head, trade from what you see. I should write a book, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Maybe I will in the future, I don't know, I don't have a lot of time. Everybody, make sense? Next. So if this is the Fibonacci, right, and the retracement must come, I mean extension must come, and this is the extension leg of the uptrend, and the retracement must come, you know. Okay, and now we are going to clone the chart, and we are going to go to the weekly, maybe to the weekly, right? And we are going to delete most of the text, delete most of the text, delete this one, delete the short-term trend, now delete most of the stuff, Fibonacci 2, whoops, not this one, the pivot points are important, maybe, okay. Down, out, Fibonacci, out, right? Out, this one too, out, this one too, out the ABCDs, right? Out. Dance and everybody else, are we hitting past resistance or not? Yes, but you always say not to stay away, and this is stay away and wait to go short. I don't agree with you, Dancy. I didn't say stay away, you know, okay? And Dancy and everybody else, focus on the lesson, okay? This is not a fight who is smarter, makes sense? Oh, you say this and you say that. Okay, Dancy, try to focus on the lesson. Okay, I'm trying to teach you, everybody, it's not personal. I'm trying to teach you, oh, buy for the day. Are you sure? Okay, this is the lesson. If we just buy for the day, everybody would be a millionaire by now. Not that easy. It's not that easy. Okay. So Fibonacci, short, retracement, extension must come. Short-term trend, it's an extension, retracement must come. Weekly chart, did the market hit past resistance? Julius, there is going to be a sell. Dancy, yes, we hit past resistance. So remember, we are still talking for what you're going to do for the day, right? Okay. Now, shorting Fibonacci must retrace, okay, market hit, short, market hit past resistance, market hit past resistance, it we don't have the crystal ball, it should start to reverse. Okay, should start to reverse, right? Reason to go long, market is above the trend line, right? Reason to go long, market above the trend line, okay? Market above the trend line. Now, this is the daily chart, this is the weekly chart, and from the weekly chart, everybody, we are going to go on the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Okay, this is, remember everybody, this is the skill that you should have acquired so far. Okay, so you can check upon you and say, oh my gosh, am I thinking the correct things? Am I asking the correct questions? Or am I simply reacting to the market? Which is super normal, okay? We as analysts, we are still reacting to the market, right? We are, but step by step, you know, we are going to get more and more and more knowledge. Make sense, everybody? So, where is the line? I need to connect this one with this one, and where is the low? Here is the low, and something like this, and then I have something like this on the 1 hour chart. One more time, long line, maybe better like this is going to be easier. There you go, long line. Okay, and we are here. We should not break any bodies, everybody, and short line and tails, hard highs, hard lows. Okay, we are here. Let me see if I'm breaking the body of the candle. No, I'm not, which is okay. So we are here, everybody, right? Remember, there is no right or wrong. You can go long, you can go short, okay? So this is now the 1 hour chart. Hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Ala, what is this market telling you right now? Type in the chat, what is this market telling you right now? Is this market going to most likely fall based on what you see? Is this market most likely going to go up based on what you see? Or is this market going sideways based on what you see? Next question. If this market is telling you that it's going to fall, how are you going to enter today, shorting the market? If this market is telling you that it's going to go up, same question, how are you going to buy this market today? And if this market is telling you that it's sideways, how are you going to profit from the sideways movement? See how this works, everybody? 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade from what you think, trade from what you see. Probabilistic thinking from the daily, same probabilistic thinking from the 1 hour chart. And when your probabilistic thinking is going to get aligned, then you are going to make money. Make sense, everybody? Probabilistic thinking here too. Probabilistic thinking. Type in the chat, everybody. Probabilistic thinking. Type in the chat. How many reasons do you have to go short for the day? And how many reasons do you have to go long for the day? We're going to change vocabulary for the beginner traders. How many reasons do you see for to buy AUD CAD on the 1 hour chart? And how many reasons do you see to sell? And then you are going to see the probabilities, everybody. Make sense? Julius says sell yes. Dancing didn't crown yet on the 1 hour, still in uptrend, just weak trend line. Agreed. So probabilistic thinking, buy, right? Buy. Well, didn't crown. Okay, so do we agree that the market broke the aggressive trend line, everybody? It's still in the uptrend, right? But the market broke the okay, let me see. So this is the long term, this is the medium term, this is the short term. The market broke the aggressive trend line. Agreed? So everybody, if you want to buy, how are you going to enter? Then see, if your vision is still the same, how are you going to enter, everybody? Make sense? Trade from what you see. What does this mean? Don't force entries. Okay, everybody, don't force. If you understand that this is a retracement and the market must start an extension, and if you understand that this is an extension on the short-term trend and a retracement must come from the daily, you cannot just buy, you cannot just blindly buy. Does this make sense to you? Ala says uptrend, yes sir. Then says counter trend line break, maybe candle not closed yet, uptrend, and for sale we break aggressive trend line. Well, counter trend line break, right? So number one, from the daily, this is the market wave extension, retracement extension. This from the market wave, everybody. Market wave on the 1 hour chart. Now short-term trend, right? Short-term trend on the 1 hour chart. Low to high, high to low, 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 low to high, high to low. Give me a second. High to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. This is the short-term trend. This is the market wave, and this is now the short-term trend. See how this works, everybody? It doesn't really matter how you are going to, I mean, it doesn't matter if you see, oh, this market is going to go up for the day, or this market is going to go down for the day. How are you going to enter? Dan says, yes, it makes sense. So if you are trading the short-term trend on the 1 hour chart, and you are talking about the counter trend line break, it already happened. Counter trend line break, let's color code it what? Green, and something like this. Counter trend line break already happened. And then we have also the question about on the stop loss and take profit. Let's make a poll, everybody, then we're going to move on Euro GBP. Let's make a poll. Type in the chat long. Type in the chat, everybody, AUD CAD long or AUD CAD buy, or type in the chat AUD CAD short or AUD CAD sell. Let's make a poll. Let's see the community, how the community is positioned. Boss, this is totally different from the strategy. Yes, it is. If you are a scalper, you are going to have a different setup. If you have a day trading strategy, you are going to have a different setup. You are going to enter from the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart. If you are a short-term swing trader, you are going to have a different setup. And lastly, if you are a long-term swing trader, you are going to have a different setup too. Make sense? Stop loss low on short-term trend and take profit pivot point. Very good. Do you want to enter right now, Dancy? Dancy says stop loss down in here, and which is super cool, everybody. This is Dancy's stop loss, and take profit at the pivot point somewhere up in here. Do you want to enter right now, Dancy? Don't worry, everybody, don't be shy. We are on the demo account, makes sense? We are going to enter trades and see how those trades are going to play out. Okay, very good. So give me a second just to have a reference and reference for this one. Okay, so Dance is entering in the market. Congratulations to you. AUDK, this one, undock, maybe, there you go. So we are going to buy the market according to Dancy. AUDK entry, we are going to buy market, and stop loss is going to be, where is the stop loss, is going to be at 89353, 89353, 89353, and the take profit is going to be at 9573, 9573, 9573. Submit orders. Very good. Congratulations, Dancy, you are in the market. So tomorrow we are going to see how this trade is going to play out. Okay, this is Dancy's entry, stop loss. We are here. Anybody else want to go long or short on AUDCAT? Everybody? Somebody is asking, boss, what would you do? I am shorting, everybody. I am going to wait for a crown on the 4-hour chart, and then I'm going to short the daily Fibonacci. This is how my strategy works. Okay? There is, what you must understand from this Forex trading week, there is no right or wrong. So if Dancy knows what he's doing, he is going to win, you know. And if I know what I'm doing after, so I'm waiting for a crown, I'm going to wait for a crown on the 4-hour chart, and I'm going to short the market. Stop loss above the A of the daily Fibonacci. Okay, and amen on the trade. Julius want to short right now, Julius? If you want to short the market right now, tell me where do you want your stop loss, tell me where do you want your take profit. And everybody remember, we have a news announcement today, make sense? Whatever you do, we talked about strategies. Whatever you do, everybody, Wednesday, whatever you do, there you go, 9:30 p.m. Brazilian time, you have employment changed from Australia. Whatever you do, if you are buying and you are in profit, protect your profits. If you are going to sell and you are going to be in profit, protect your profits because of the news announcement. Julius says no, boss. Okay, very good. And now let's talk about Euro GBP. Julius says Euro GBP. And you said short, right, Julius? Hedge fund trader Julius wants to short Euro GBP. Everybody, same thought process. What is the trade for the day? Do you want to go long or short for the day? And what is the vision for the week? Okay, let's make a poll, everybody. This is what you see. I don't have any Fibonacci's on. This is out. We can draw the market wave, extension, retracement, extension, right? And the Fibonacci green goes to green. Everybody, we don't use Fibonacci's on Euro GBP. Why not? Because Fibonacci is not going to help you. Why not? Because Euro GBP is sideways. Okay? Take my word for it. If you don't believe, you are going to have unnecessary loser. This market so far, it's locked inside this channel. You can see it up and down, up and down, up and down. So Fibonacci is not going to work in here in this environment, everybody. Okay? Euro GBP monthly chart. This market is sideways. Freedom, I don't agree with you. It's alright, it's alright. You don't need to agree with me. Make sense? As a matter of fact, most of student traders don't agree with me. I know. Most of student traders, unfortunately, don't agree with me that this market is sideways. The market is not ready for me to sell. Are we talking about AUD CAD or are we talking about Euro GBP? We learned about how to behave, how to trade consolidations from the previous lessons. Okay? Euro GBP monthly chart. Do we agree that the market is in consolidation? Type in the chat, yes, I agree, or type in the chat, no, I don't agree. Everybody, you don't need to agree with everything, makes sense? Type what you think. There is no right or wrong, we don't bite, we are here to learn. Nonetheless, Fibonacci's are out, and this is out, and the market wave is out, right? Out the market wave, out the Fibonacci's. Okay. So, hedge fund trader Julius, what are you going to do? This is the consolidations upper band, this is the consolidations lower band. We made some money going long in the very beginning stage, everybody. No, I'm not in the market right now. I'm out on Euro GBP. I am going to, so my strategy, right? My strategy is telling me, wait if the market to comes up in here or wait for the market to comes down in here. In between, my strategy is not trading, make sense? There is no right or wrong. Eddington, yes, on a monthly it is in consolidation, however you can trade the lower time frame and still use FIPS. Very good, see everybody? Eddington has a different opinion. Okay. Hedge fund trader Julius, I'm talking about AUD CAD, very good. Hedge fund trader Julius, what about Euro GBP? Everybody, what is the trade for the day? Do you want to buy Euro GBP? Do you want to sell Euro GBP? There is no right or wrong. It's all about probabilistic thinking. Boss, should I stay out? I don't know. It's up to your strategy, everybody. Make sense? You need to define your strategy, build some rules, and then you need to obey your strategy. Okay? I cannot tell you what to do, everybody. And one more time, a scalper is going to enter in a different way, a swing trader is going to enter with a different way, a day trader is going to enter in a different way. Make sense? So long term, right? Long term, the market hit the upper band. Do we agree, everybody? Do we agree that the market hit the upper band? This rally was violent, and then the market, you know, if you were quick enough, you pocket the profit, and then the market reversed, and now it's stalling in here. Agreed, everybody? So what are you going to do? Hedge fund trader Julius, you asked for Euro GBP. What are you going to do? What are you going to do today, everybody? And what are you going to do for next week? Today it's Wednesday. Everybody? In the meantime, does anybody have other currency pairs to check? Yes. This is the skill. We talked about AUD CAD. 4-hour time frame. Somebody is asking for the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. It's still in consolidation, everybody. Long-term view, it's consolidation. Okay. This is the market now on the 4-hour chart. Let's make a poll. Who in here wants to, or who in here thinks that this market is going to go up on all time frames, and who thinks that this market is going to go down on all time frames? I would like to sell. Very good. Okay. So how are you going to enter the market, Julius? How are you going to enter the market? What we have learned so far, that consolidations have different layers. So this would be one layer of consolidation, right? Then we have another layer of consolidation up in here. Then we have another layer of consolidation here, and another layer of consolidation in here. Okay? So for you to short, Julius, how are you going to end? Do you want to short right now? Is anybody in here who wants to buy Euro GBP 4-hour chart right now, or sell Euro GBP 4-hour chart right now? Hedge fund trader Eddington, hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Ala, what are you going to do? Somebody is asking on the other streaming platform, boss, can I stay out? Absolutely yes. Everybody, if you don't have the setup according to your strategy, you should stay out. Don't force the trade. Some of you are, and I know some of you are still forcing the trades. Agreed? You are reacting to the market. Your strategy, what would be an example? Your strategy, just an example, your strategy is telling you wait for the market to come up here and short the market. And your strategy, the same strategy is telling you or wait for the market to come down here and buy the market. But you are seeing higher highs, higher lows. Right? You are seeing higher highs, higher lows. You know, you are seeing double bottoms. And they are, everybody, this is you right now. You are seeing double bottoms, and they are, right? You are seeing a counter trend line break, and it is, you know, and you are going long, makes sense? You are buying the market. Okay? And you come to me happy, right? You come to me happy and you are telling me, boss, I won, I make a profit. I made a profit. And what is my answer? What is my answer? You don't like this, do you? My answer is, I don't care. I don't care. He says, boss, why not? I just made a profit. I don't care because you are not following the rules of your strategy. Everybody, this is the understanding and the knowledge from the advanced course. You have black and white rules from your strategy. Just an example, how to enter, and you are doing something different. Good news, this is a phase, it's totally normal, it's called homeostasis. We all gone through this, you know. Bad news, you know, if this is not a trade from the strategy, your trade has no structure. You are not trading based on rules, you are trading from your head. You know how, some of you know how this conversation goes, oh, but there is double bottoms. Yes, they are, but it doesn't matter. Oh, but there is an uptrend. Yes, it is, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Fair enough, everybody, some of you are advanced, fair enough. If I tell you, short the market up in here, and if I tell you, go long on the market down in here, and you profit in here, you are going to get the first warning. First warning, John, why did you go long in here? John, and John is going to tell me, oh, there was an uptrend. I don't care, John. You are an employee of mine, John. And you have a strategy, black and white, clear, not subject to interpretation. First warning, John. Boss, I don't get it. I know. Everybody, you're going to understand the nature of this business, how to make money in the advanced course. Give it time. Give it time. Okay? You are going to understand that what makes the money is the strategy with an edge. Julie is saying, I will go for the market to break 0.86927 level, then I will go short. Okay, Julius, then when this happens, where is your stop loss and where is your take profit? So Julius is going to wait. Let's put this green and edit coordinate. Julius, whoops. Edit coordinates. So not this one. Let's put a line like this and violet. Now there you go. 0.86927. Okay, Julius is going to wait for this one and then he's going to short. Julius, where is going to be the take profit and where is going to be the stop loss? What can I tell you, Julius? I would be very careful. So the market, you know, the market still can go down in here and to reverse. Okay, if you are trading consolidation of this type, clone in here, I would say put your number lower, like on 0.86798 if you ask me. And even though you are risking for the market to give you a false breakout and reverse. Okay, now this is not, oh, is this what you are going to do? No. Everybody, these streams are not trading advice, no recommendation. As a matter of fact, I told you how my strategy works. We have 5 more minutes, Julius. Type in the chat, how are you going to, where is going to be the stop loss, where is going to be the take profit? See, everybody, there is a study to be done before you enter the market. Entering the market, this is the easy stuff. Thinking about improbabilities, you know, what is the probability of the market hit my take profit level, or what is the probability of the market to hit my stop loss level, then this is another level. In the meantime, I'm waiting for Julius. Everybody, don't forget, on Friday, if you're interested in the Advanced Institutional Trader Program called Forex Course 2.2, connect on Skype. We're going to have a 15 to 13 minutes, not too much, you know, the meeting. Okay, we're going to answer all of these questions, especially the number 5. How much money can I make as a trader? Okay, Julius, we are still waiting for you. And remember what we have learned, everybody. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Okay, you don't want to hear this, everybody. Okay, so trading concepts. Breakouts are not patterns. Breakouts are not patterns, everybody. Support, resistance, pivot points are not patterns. Where to put the stop loss are not patterns. Make sense? Take profit, yes, you can profit take, but stop loss is a different story. CTB, counter trendline breaks are not patterns. Some of you are still sending me emails. We're talking about what pattern are you trading. Stop loss goes on the pattern traded. Boss, I'm trading a breakout. Breakout is not a pattern. Breakouts are entry techniques. Boss, I'm trading the support, resistance, pivot points. Those are not patterns either. Boss, I'm trading the counter trendline break. Counter trendline breaks are entry techniques. Those are not patterns. Julius, stop 8825. So everybody give me a second. Clone and red and coordinate 0.8823232353. So stop loss, it's above the consolidation. Take profit on clone. Let's color code this in green and take profit on 0.4079. Whoops. 0.84079. See everybody? Now this is Julius. Okay. This is the stop loss, so he's going to risk 1. And he's going to go after 2.5, right? What we're going to do? We're going to go on the monthly chart. Okay. And check, okay, can Julius win? Right? Can Julius win? What do you think, everybody? How from the monthly chart, Julius, what do you think? Is your trade high probability or is your trade low probability, and why? 2 minutes to go, everybody. Type in the chat. Is Julius trade high probability or low? We are here to learn. We are not criticizing anybody, we are here to learn. Hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Eddington, hedge fund trader Ala. What do you think? Is Julius trade high probability or low, and why? There is no right or wrong, we don't have the crystal ball. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Everybody, trading is a learnable skill when you learn how to trade in the correct way. From monthly, low probability. Julius says high, Ala says low. Dancy, bullish candle on the monthly. Let's check the weekly for better understanding, maybe. Julius, if you look just at the candles and if you look at the stop loss level, Julius, you know, if you look at the candles and if you look at your stop loss level, if consolidation is going to continue, what is going to happen with your trade? Most likely, meaning, can the market stop you out Can the market stop you out and reverse? Bullish candle on the monthly. So this is the weekly, right? Julius, can the market stop you out? Can the market go up, hit the high of those two candles and then reverse? Boss, but I'm going to wait for the market to break out. I know. Can the market fall down in here based on what you see and go back up and stops you out? So is this high probability or low probability? No, nobody is saying that Julius is wrong, everybody. It's a probability game, makes sense? There is no right or wrong. But Julius says, oh, I'm going to wait for the market to hit this level and then I'm going to go short. But this market is still in consolidation. Do you understand, everybody, what's the difference from somebody who is trading from what he or she sees and for somebody who is trading for what he or she might think what is going to happen? And this, no, we are not judging, we are not criticizing. This is the skill. Make sense? I'm going to, like Julius, I'm going to wait for the market to hit this low and break the level, you know, and wait for the market, but I'm still most likely not going to trade. Why not? Because probability wise, you know, all of those entries are risky. Make sense? The market can, at least in my humble opinion, the market can go down in here and go back up because it's in consolidation. The market can break this level, make a lower low, lower high, heal this past support and still go back up because it's in consolidation. Maybe I'm totally wrong, but this is why my strategy is saying stay out of the market, Euro GBP. Stay out of the market until the market goes up in here and go down in here. Boss, but I'm a day trader. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's all a probability game. It doesn't matter. Make sense, everybody? Okay, see you back tomorrow with another Forex trading week. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom, signing off.